Welcome to Relic Curio Academy, your one-stop solution for UPSC TNPSC preparation. Short videos will be teaching you daily on this channel. We will cover the entire syllabus, strategy, updates, and notifications which will help you to crack the UPSC TNPSC exam. During the session, our videos will be sharing a lot of tips and tricks to crack the exam. UPSC TNPSC aspirants who are preparing for their exam will be benefited from this channel. RC Academy platform has the best educators from all over the subject area, who take classes every day. Group 1, Group 1A, Group 2, Group 2A and all group exams subscribe to our channel. If you don't wish to miss any updates and/or latest videos about UPSC TNPSC exams preparation, subscribe to the channel now. Students who have already subscribed, stay tuned as we will get more strategy and preparations videos and free classes just for you.